Let's get started making easy barbecue sauce. According to the folks at AmazingRibs.com, Heinz introduced the very first barbecue sauce in 1875. And the reason I'm showing you this is because if you look at the ingredients, they are exactly what we are going to be using to make our barbecue sauce. We're going to be using ketchup, vinegar, something to sweeten it up. We're going to use a liquid smoke and a little bit of spice. So essentially what we are doing is making a modified homemade version of Kansas City style barbecue. I am going to mix our barbecue sauce in this 4-cup glass measuring cup. And that's because it makes it easy to measure the ketchup and it makes it easy to pour it into the container that I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator. The next ingredient is the honey. Now you don't have to write these down because we will display them on your screen before this video ends. This way you can pause the video when you are preparing the recipe or when you are shopping for the ingredient. Next we are going to add some liquid smoke. You can find liquid smoke in your grocery store where you find the barbecue sauce near the ketchup. Next, we will add some apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar definitely makes a difference with this barbecue sauce compared to, say, white vinegar. Our final ingredient is chili seasoning. And you can find chili seasoning in your grocery store. But if you want to get that big giant container like we have it available at our Amazon store on our website. Now let's mix everything together. And as you can see, it turns out it's nice and thick. It doesn't need to be simmering in a pot for 20 or 30 minutes. Now there you go, folks. Now you can make an easy barbecue sauce at home. Now if you think we did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, just click on my mugshot on your screen there. Thanks for watching.